Welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about the rain in the south today and tomorrow, so let's get started. Alright, we can see we got Friday, May 1st at 8 a.m. We can see we got heavier rain in some parts of Texas, rain in Louisiana, rain in Mississippi, rain in Alabama. We can see some snow in the Colorado mountains. We can see also some snow in the New Mexico mountains. We can see also on here, guys. I've got rain and snow in Iowa, some rain in Ohio probably. We can see and some snow up there in Indiana, potentially mixing with rain and snow. We can see this morning. Also, Friday 11 a.m. we can see we got more rain in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. We can see Florida, snow on New Mexico. We can maybe see snow in the Colorado mountains. We can see also rain in Texas, Louisiana. We can see in Florida also on here, guys. So yeah, and we got rain in Ohio. We can see snow in Michigan. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah. Alright, this is the full view. We can see this looks better, guys. So we have rain in Ohio, rain in South Carolina, North Carolina. We can see also on here maybe some rain up in Maine, Friday, May 1st at 11 a.m. Friday, May 1st at 2 p.m. we can see we got rain in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. We can see rain in Ohio, PA. We can see also on here. We got some rain in New Mexico, some snow in the Colorado mountains, and some parts of New Mexico. We can see Friday, May 1st at 2 p.m. We can see we got maybe some snow in Michigan Peninsula. We can see also this afternoon. This afternoon. We can see snow in PA. We can see also rain in Maine. We can see also on here, guys. Then let's move on. Rain in Florida and rain in Iowa. Alright, Friday, May 1st at 5 p.m. we got heavier rain in Texas, Louisiana, Florida. We can see also Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, rain in Ohio, PA, snow in New York, rain in Iowa, rain in Illinois. We can see also on here snow in the Colorado mountains. We can see also rain in Maine too. You can see on here also, guys, snow in get some snow maybe in Michigan Peninsula, Michigan. We can see maybe some snow coming in New York, and maybe too we can see also. Friday, May 1st at 8 p.m. we got heavier rain in Texas. We can see Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and even Florida, the panhandle of Florida. We can see rain also. Rain in PA, New York, Ohio, rain in Illinois, Indiana, Michigan. We can see Kansas, Nebraska, and even South Dakota. We can see also snow in Colorado, New Mexico. We can see also on here, guys. See rain in South Carolina. We can see also, guys. We could maybe have some snow in the Colorado mountains and New Mexico mountains too. Maybe even in New Mexico, we could maybe have some snow also today. Then maybe some snow in Michigan. You can see also on here, and rain in Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin. Alright, Friday 11 p.m. we can see we get that huge band of rain across Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida. We can see also on here in Louisiana. Then we got rain in PA, New York. We can see also rain in Illinois, Ohio, Michigan. We can see also. Then we can see Kansas. We got rain in Iowa, Illinois. We can see also on here snow in Colorado. We can see in New Mexico too. You can see on here. Then we get some snow in maybe some of the New England states, maybe a rain mixture too. We can see that little spot in one of the New England states. Alright, Saturday, May 2nd at 2 a.m. we got rain in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, rain in PA. We can see also on here snow in New York, rain in New York, rain and snow in the New England states. We can see rain in Kansas also. You can see snow in Colorado. You can see snow in New Mexico potentially too. We can see Saturday, May 2nd at 2 a.m. we can see in those spots. Saturday, May 2nd at 5 a.m. we can see we got rain in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, South Carolina. We can see on here also, guys. So yeah, in North and South Carolina. We get some snow in parts of let's see, guys. We get some snow in parts of looks like New York, some of the New England states. We can see on here also. You can see on here rain in Washington, Oregon. We can see. Alright. Saturday 8 a.m. we can see that rain moving across the south. You can see also on here rain in Louisiana, rain in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Mississippi, Florida. We can see also on here Rain in Ohio. PA, maybe we could have rain in Ohio, maybe some mixture of snow. We can see also for Saturday, May 2nd at 8 a.m. Rain in Illinois. We can see snow in New York and some of the New England states also. And rain in some of the North Carolina. We can see in New Jersey too. Saturday, May 2nd at 11 a.m. we got rain in Florida, rain in Georgia, rain in Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina, rain in Ohio we can maybe see, rain in New York, rain in some of the New England states, even Maine too, rain in Washington, Oregon, California. We can see on here also too, guys, and rain in New Mexico. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah. Saturday, May 2nd at 2 p.m. we could have rain in South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, Florida. Got rain in New York, some of the New England states. You can see on here also, guys. You can see on this too, guys. So yeah, let's look. Then we can see we got some looks like some rain in the Gulf too. We can see in Florida also too. You can see on here. Saturday, May 2nd, 5 p.m. We still got some rain in Georgia, South Carolina. We can see North Carolina. Got some rain in New England states, Maine, Ohio, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, North Dakota, South Dakota. Rain in Montana. We can see snow in the Colorado mountains, maybe in New Mexico mountains. We can see also on here, guys. You can see on here, guys. Then we got rain in Maine, some of the New England states. We can see also, guys. So yeah. Alright, Saturday on May 2nd at 8 p.m. we can see the rain's mostly moved out of South Carolina, North Carolina. We got some rain in Florida, got some rain in North Dakota, Minnesota, South Dakota, Ohio. We can see some snow up in Maine too, and some rain in Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia. Some rain up in Oregon, California, Nevada, and some snow in California and New Mexico area too. We can see also. So rain in Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, and some New England states. So let's move on to how much rain's going to fall myself. Alright, this is the example of what our totals are going to be in some spots. So this is the 24-hour rain forecast we can see. We could have maybe 2.5 inches in parts of Texas that could fall. 2.7, it depends where you're at. 2 inches in Louisiana. We can see 1.1 inches maybe in Mississippi. 1.5 inches of rain could fall from Friday. May 1st at 2 a.m., Saturday, May 2nd at 2 a.m., we could see at 2.5 inches. Then we can see in Florida, we got 1.2 inches, 1.25 inches, 1.8 inches in Georgia, half an inch in parts of Alabama. You can see even New Mexico get an inch or close to 2 inches, maybe in part of New Mexico. See also Texas, we can have 0.1 inches in some spots, 1.2. We can see on here, and even parts of Ohio, we can see maybe we can have a 0.3, 0.4 inches of rainfall there in Ohio. You can see today for Friday, May 1st, 2 a.m., Saturday, May 2nd, 2 a.m. You can see also, then maybe even in northern Texas, we can maybe see even 0.2 inches, 0.3 inches of rainfall also on here, guys. So, yeah. Then we can see also in Georgia. Yeah. So, let's move on and see. All right. So, let's move over to this area. We can see over this area more over here in Florida and things too. You can see we got 2.4 inches in Florida, 3.4 inches. We can see also on here for Georgia. You can see 3.5 inches of rain could fall. You can see over there. And Louisiana, this is for that area. So, all right. So let's move more to the east now. So this is Saturday, May 2nd at 3 p.m. So this is the 24-hour rain forecast. We can see how much rain estimate's going to fall. So the prediction from Friday, May 1st to Saturday, May 2nd, 3 p.m. We can see you can maybe have up to 4 inches in some parts of Georgia potentially fall. You can see almost. Then 2.4 inches, 2.47 inches in South Carolina and North Carolina. 0.8 inches we can see. 0.6 in Mississippi, we can see 0.8 in Georgia. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah, let's look at the whole thing. All right. So this is like the 48. So this is like the 48-hour rain forecast. We can see for the whole thing. We can see 2.5 inches in Texas, 3.9. We can see just over 2 days. We can see 2.5 in Florida. can see 2 inches in Louisiana. Georgia, maybe. Roper, we can maybe see inches of rain. Also, Texas, 2.5 inches we can see also. And let's move over to our east. We can see North Carolina, maybe get an inch, potentially 0.8. South Carolina, inch or two. We can see in some spots. See also on Ohio, maybe we get like a 0.7 inch of rain, 0.6 inches of rain, something like that. In PA, we could have like a half an inch of rain, maybe. You can see also in New York, we get a quarter of an inch of rain. We can see in PA, we could get a quarter of an inch of rain too, also on here too, guys. So let's talk about our severe weather outlook real quick, guys. So we can see this is a severe weather outlook for today. We can see we got a marginal risk of severe weather in Texas, Florida. We can see also Louisiana. We can see also on here, then we got typical thunderstorm risk in Ohio, PA, Kansas, Missouri, Colorado, New Mexico. We can see Arizona too, and Utah. And a marginal risk in Texas, Louisiana, Florida. You can see on here, guys. So let's look at we got a 5% wind risk for today in Texas, Louisiana, Florida. We can see, and even Mississippi and a little bit of Alabama too. You can see. Then we got a tornado risk for today. We can see we got a 2% tornado risk for Texas, Louisiana, Florida. We can see, and a little Mississippi too on here. All right, we got our hail risk for today. We can see we got a 5% hail risk for Texas, a significant one over there in Texas. We get a hail risk for Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida too. You can see. All right, so let's look at tomorrow's severe weather outlook. So we got a slight risk of severe weather for Florida tomorrow. We can see in the northern part of Florida. Then we got a marginal risk for the central part of Florida, like Orlando. In Tampa, we can see. Also, then Jacksonville, maybe a slight risk of severe weather. You can see. And we got a typical thunderstorm risk in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and parts of Florida too. In Washington, Montana, California, Oregon, Nevada, and Colorado, and New Mexico. All right, so we got 2% tornado risk for Florida. We can see also. We got 2% tornado risk for part of Georgia too. You can see on here, guys. So yeah. Then our hail risk for tomorrow is gonna be 5% hail risk for Florida, Georgia. We can see also for Saturday. And we got a 15% wind risk for Florida. You can see also. Then a 5% wind risk for Georgia. We can see in part of Florida too. Also, guys, on here. So that'll be pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. Never miss a video like this, guys. I see you guys in the next one.